What's up, everybody? Good morning. How we all doing? There we go. All righty. We locked in. We ready to go. Good morning, Jersey, Dev, Alex, Perkins, Eric, Jonathan, Tim, GIU, Chuck, Reno, Todd, Katie. What's up, everyone? Yeah, I think going forward, I'm going to start going live like 8:10 to 8:15. Give myself a little more time to wake up in the morning. Alrighty. Let's do this. How'd you guys do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades as always. Let me know. But let's go ahead and delete this. Delete this. Really, we're just in a choppy market. Look at this price action. Nothing. Nvidia reports tomorrow, so I think Nvidia should be the one that, or they report today after hours. Nvidia should be the one that finally makes this move. I think the market's kind of just waiting for that. Go to bulk meal. Probably 4 eggs and rice. To be honest with you, a lot of rice. Or 4 to 6 eggs, actually. That just popped up. Yeah, Nvidia earnings today. But yeah, rice is typically pretty easy to just eat. Alrighty. Let's do this. But yeah, so I mean, really looking at the price action, guys, it's kind of the same thing. We need to actually break and hold these highs if we want to have that potential to go higher. I could have swore that we had 2 hours supply, but I guess not. Pops up on TradingView that we have supply up there, but not on not on Thinkorswim. Put this mic closer. There we go. But yeah, like literally, we are trading near no key levels. Supply zone up here, possible balance way down here. Everything, everything in between. I mean, I really don't care about it. We do have a 1 hour squeeze. We do have a 2 hour squeeze, but it's not really holding structure. Maybe this 4 hour. We'll see what happens with the overall structure, but I think that this is just going to go ahead and wait for Nvidia. So really, I mean, I'll tell you what, I'm not 100. Like, I don't love this setup on ES, and it's going to be the same thing on SPY. Yeah, Apple had a really nice push yesterday. We're going to watch Apple today for sure. That was on the watch list, but I couldn't find an entry that I liked. The 4 hour squeeze just went. So, I mean, if anything on SPY, like I said, watch this 4 hour squeeze setup. It's just, I don't think it's going to do anything until Nvidia. So, just keep that on the back burner. QQQ. Those fibs became invalid. We broke below this low. Let's see. I mean, maybe if Nvidia got above here, this 47 or not Nvidia, QQQ above 477.85, but again, it's not my ideal setup. Like, we're so far away from this key level down here. Yeah. Literally, that's it. You can actually join the Discord for only $5 a day for the first week if you want to test it out. I'll get the link for you here. 1 second. And real quick, make sure you guys hit that like button. We're going to do some live trading today, but what you guys need to do is run it up to 100 likes. If we get 100 likes, then we'll do some live trading. Here is the link to join the Discord. And again, it's only $5 a day for the first 7 days. Awesome. So yeah, demand way down here on NQ. Maybe if we break above this 19,694. But other than that, I'm not too interested in this. So let's run through the individuals. Hopefully we find something better. Apple. Yeah, uptrend entry above 229. All-time highs is 237. Maybe a little bit of resistance here at 231.50. 100% on Apple. This is on the list for sure. Would prefer it if we hadn't hit that 1 hour 21 EMA, but uptrend entries on Apple look to be the move. All right, Apple. Put that on the list. AMD. Probably going to wait for NVIDIA. I would say it does look pretty good for a short below like 148.50. But again, I believe it's going to wait for NVIDIA. Amazon. Don't really care about. Boeing, don't care about. Coin. Don't care about. Google. Not holding that 4-hour structure anymore. IWM is actually getting closer to our bounce. So again, that 216 like 20 level, I do really like that. IWM on the list. Meta. Don't care about till we get down there. I mean, if you want to look for puts below the support level that we've had over the last couple of days, you can. Just not my ideal setup. So break below 514.90, you can look to short it. I'm personally not taking that. Microsoft. Don't care about NVIDIA. We said we're going to have to wait. Starbucks having that massive push. And Tesla. Which actually, Tesla, I don't mind for a short. Below like 206.90. Cool. Apple to the upside, IWM to the upside, Tesla to the downside. That's what I like today. Spying QQQ, I mean, not my favorite. I'll keep an eye on them, but absolutely not my favorite today. Alrighty, let's see. What time is it? It's only 6:20, 8:20. Sorry. Check the economic calendar real quick, see what we got today. Fed speaker at 6 p.m. So nothing during the market today, which is good. See if Savage has anything different. Nothing that should really move the market too much. But yeah, again, I feel like NVIDIA is just it's going to be the market mover. All right. I guess any questions or stocks that you guys want me to look at for the next 5-10 minutes, and then we'll narrow the list. I'll give you guys the levels for the day. And again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button if you want some live day trading today. Run up them likes. And also drop the stocks, drop the questions. Nike. Yes, sir. Oops. Looks like we're in that gap fill. All right, so you're getting above that previous resistance. The only thing is this weekly 21 EMA could be an issue. So we'll see at the end of the week. We're pretty much trading right at it. But I would say if you hold this 84.60, and start making that move back up. That's ideally what I would look for. First price target's going to be this pre-market high, which is going to give you about like 75 cents. But then after that, you have nothing blocking it until you get all the way up there. So that's what I would watch. Actually, hold on. I might be lying to you. Pull it up with my SMA chart. All right, so if you get above 85.50, be a little cautious of the 100 SMA, which is at 86. But then other than that, you're good. Does look pretty good for that gap fill. PRU. The swing trading video, that was new. Just recorded that like 2 days ago. All right, PRU. Not my favorite, I'll tell you that much. Went up 3 weeks in a row with decreasing volume, right? We're right at that 618. We had this huge flush to the downside. I don't know. The monthly looks good. I don't like the weekly. The Instagram video from yesterday, nah, it goes the whole time. Exposing my new 100%, yeah, the 100% win rate swing video. Yeah, it's running the whole time. Should be fine. It's fine over here. All right, we looked at PRU. Apple's on the watch list today. We looked at Nike. It's on YouTube also. Any other stocks you guys want me to look at? Or are we all good? Narrow this watch list for the day. It's going to be a quicker live stream today because we don't have any news that we have to wait for. But, like I said, we are going to do some live day trading. So, ideally today, Apple. Actually, IWM and Apple are going to be my top 2 priority today. Oh, now you guys are giving them to me. There we go. Palantir. This daily 21 EMA is your area. So daily 21 EMA, previous pivot high point from like this 30 to 29.70 level. That's what I would watch. So if you can hold that, should look for that move back up and potentially a new high. So that looks actually very good. Adobe. Bounce at 618. I mean, weekly looks good. Monthly looks good. I mean, I just look for an uptrend entry, to be honest with you. There's not like a specific setup I would watch, but we came back, we hit the 618, started to push back up, did a higher low. Maybe we come through and we set a higher high above these. And then make our way back up to here. So, I mean, that's really all I see. Again, not like I don't see an entry that I would take, but just overall the trend looks up. Yeah, these. 9:20-ish Eastern time. I'd like more of a pullback on Netflix towards like that daily 21 and potentially here or here. But I mean, if you could find an uptrend entry, look to take it back up into these highs, I would just prefer the pullbacks to one of these 3 areas. Or just a break above 711.33, and then you can look for that push up. Just a little far away from that right now. But maybe that happens later in the week, maybe next week. That final one's going to be snow. So we actually hit that 110. When did we hit that? Just a few weeks ago. I would see how the monthly closes, to be honest with you. See how we closed on the month. Maybe equity would make sense with a stop right below that low. Then you can look to take it back up. Cool. Let's narrow this watch list. Get the levels going. All right. So, again, yes, I'm mainly going to watch that 4-hour squeeze. See if we can get some structure. But NQ, I literally do not care about unless we get down here or up here. So, let's do ES. Not trading near any key levels. Only thing I am watching is the 4-hour squeeze structure for potential upside. All right, we got that. And then inside of the watch list, I said might wait for NVIDIA ER. It's definitely a very high probability. Yes, I do like IWM to the upside if we hit the bounce. And Q, not near any key levels. Yeah, again, I mean, I really, really doubt we get up into those. So I'm not even going to put NQ. Apple looking for uptrend entries to play 4-hour structure. IWM bounce at what's the level? 217.20, I believe. 216.20. Yeah. 16.42 to 16.2. Perfect. Awesome. Get the screenshots and then we are ready to go. Yes, Apple. Also, gotta add one thing to Apple and then we're good. Wait, never mind. All right, yeah, we're good. Apple IWM. Perfect. Alrighty. Let's give you guys this watch list. Again, shorter live stream today just because we don't have any news and SPY and QQQ aren't really trading near anything. So. Yawning. All right. Again, I will be going live here in about like 45, 50 minutes for some live day trading. So make sure you guys got the bell notifications on so you do get notified every single time I go live. And brand new video dropping tonight as well. So make sure you guys are here for that. But as far as the watch list, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I am not responsible for any lost funds. So here's ES. Here's Apple. And here is IWM. Boom. Give everybody a couple minutes to write that down. Type any other questions you guys got. But other than that, I'm good for the day. And again, like I said, we'll be doing some live trading here in about 45, 50 minutes. Y'all let me know if you're good. Of course, Tess, have a good one. Better be here in 45 minutes. Apple does look really good. I like it. Of course. Cool. Let's get this bag. And I'll talk to everybody here in 45 minutes. Peace out, everyone.